What's up, guys? I am back with another video. And in this video, yes, RT2 is back, and in this video was a long time ago. You know why?
We need to solve the minion cube.
The minion cube. Long ago, I taught you guys how to solve the Rubik's Cube Part 1. Okay, put there, Alan. Alan, take the old one. The old Rubik's Cube. It was super easy. Now I know perfectly how to solve it blindfolded. And I'll show you guys how to solve it. Alright, I solved it. I need the timer too, actually.
You blocked it.
Okay, I'm gonna on it.
What do you say?
And I'm gonna also teach you guys. I was seeing cubing encoded. How? Not camera. Clock. Where's clock? Yes. Clock. Okay. The timer is ready.
Why do you do like that, Alex?
I'm gonna do it. And I'm gonna just teach you guys. Okay. First, we have the Rubik's Cube. Now, Alan scrambled the full thing up. It will take a billion years. Look at this one. Ugh. Super hard to turn. This one's my old Rubik's Cube. Look. See, this is my old Rubik's Cube. After that, I got this amazing one. I'm gonna take the edge piece. This is the edge piece. I'm gonna put it in. I put it in. I'm gonna also twist it.
I'm done.
Okay. I can also twist. It's super easy to twist. Okay, now
That's block.
he did the scramble, guys. This video actually not mirrored because I don't know. Okay, I'll make it closer. You see this? The eye. Now to solve it, we should do, look, like this. Okay? Now we should go to the another, guys, don't do that move, okay? We should go to the other center. And we should go to the other center. Okay, now keep an eye on this one. And keep an eye on this one. Okay, this one. Then if we turn this one like this, we can make the minion's face. That's why let's make it. Okay, the minion face is there. Let's turn. We made it. Now the head of this guy, we should turn like this. We made it, and we should turn it like this. No problem. Now we should turn it like this. Then we look at like this. Then now we should turn it like this. Then only one more here, okay? One more. To make it here and make it this here, we should do a special algorithm. It's my algorithm. I'll show you. This is my professional thing. We should continue going square like this. No, don't do that. Backwards. Now hold on like that and double turn. 1 and 2. We made it. And another situation is this.
The other situation is has gone. Yeah. the city.
Okay. I'm gonna scramble the full thing up. Okay. This is another situation.
Huh?
It's a zigzag sign.
Then we have one by one.
Now we should turn it like this. No. Okay. We turn it. Now these two are wrong and these two are right. That's why we should turn it like this. Okay. Then we match the head of the pink one. Also the man. And now we should do an algorithm. But this algorithm is a little more tricky. We solved this till here. Now let's do 1, 2, okay? 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Voila! We made it. And the last situation is this. If you're in this scramble, you should turn the up face like this. And these two matches and these two only. To make it to its place, you should turn that, turn that, turn that. This is not the last one. The last one is this. This is the last one. If we have like this, just always do that. And okay. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe, thumbs up, catch you in the next one.